Okay friends, let's see formatting dates and time. So knows how to enter date in an Excel file. It's simple. Say today's date is 1st July, so it's 010720 and Excel enters it to the cell. Now we will see how to format that. To format that, right click on the cell and go to format cells. Under the format cells section, initially date is selected and there is a bunch of default formats and the sample is shown here. It's one, the default is uh, 1 July 2020, then it's 101-07-2020, then it's 01-07-20, then we have 1720 and so on. The list goes on and on. Not on and on, it's a short list, sorry. But anyways, this is not something that we are interested in. What we will do is go under the custom option in the category, and there we have this box where we will enter, say, day space space yy, and what we can do is edit it, say day dash yy. So you can see this is a very powerful tool here, that where you can custom the date as you want. DD denotes date, is for month, YY is for year. You can do it DD, it says 01, 1D says only 1, another D 01, and when you add another day, it shows WED, the short form or the short abbreviation of the day on which the 1st of July on 2020 is falling on. You add another D and it shows the full abbreviation of the day that is on which the 1st July of 2020 is falling on. But for now, let's use the short form. Then I want a space and a dash, probably a space, only a dash. Then I want the number to be displayed, that is 01, so that is 01, that is DD, sorry, and then followed by month in 2-digit, that is or I can use Wednesday first space, I can use day first, okay, first, and then I can use month, that is 3 amps will display the short abbreviation of the month, 4 will display the full name of the month. I'll use short abbreviation for the month, and then space, I will like to have the year, so it is Wednesday 1st July 2020. Pretty cool, right? So this is what pleases me the most. So if I want this to be applicable to my cell, I'll click OK, and there it is, Wednesday 1st July 2020, the day I am making this video on. Okay, that is today's date. And now here I want to enter time, at what time it is right to start my work. For now, say it's 9 o'clock in the AM. I will quickly populate this. Oops. Control Z, Control C, and okay. I have made 9 o'clock in the AM as my start of work time. We will quickly check out how to format this time format, and there we have you can go under the time tab in the category and check out the default formats. It's AM, it will show seconds and AM, it will show in decimal points, instead of colon it will put decimal, whatever, and so on. But we will go under the custom and check out what is good for what suits us. So the format is for time is hour followed by colon, then minute, for minute, and SS for second, if I want the seconds to be there in the cell as well, and then enter for OK. Probably this is not what I want. In case of timetable which is particularly working in hours, I would most likely like to ignore the seconds part. So to do that, I will just set it back to normal I will remove the seconds, it's not needed, and then I will quickly follow it, fill it, so that the timetable, we have a good timetable to work on. Then okay, I probably want to take a half-hour break and probably start at 13 and stop working at 5 o'clock in the PM. And that is it. We are ready for with our basic timetable for our work.